Hey, my beauties. You are going to love this video because today we're talking about something so many girls experience. When you like a guy, but he still sees you as just a friend. The truth is, attraction isn't always about big moves. Sometimes it's the small, cute behaviors and little moments that slowly make him start seeing you differently. The way you talk to him, the way you give attention, even the way you say his name can change the energy between you. So if you want him to start noticing you in a more romantic way, these cute and slightly spicy things can make a huge difference. 1. Say his name when you talk to him. One of the cutest and most powerful things you can do is simply say his name while talking to him. Instead of just speaking normally, casually add his name into the conversation. It makes the moment feel more personal and intimate. People naturally pay more attention when they hear their own name. When you say it softly or playfully, it sticks in his mind more than you think. Over time, hearing his name from you starts feeling special to him. It creates a small emotional connection in conversations. He begins associating that warmth with you. Even simple sentences start feeling different when you say them this way. Sometimes the smallest details are what slowly shift someone from seeing you as a friend to seeing you as something more. 2. Give him a cute nickname. Giving him a playful nickname can create a unique bond between you two. It becomes something only you call him, which makes the interaction feel more personal. Every time you say it, it reminds him that your connection is a little different from others. Cute nicknames often create inside jokes and shared moments. Over time, that nickname becomes something he secretly enjoys hearing. It adds a playful and slightly flirty energy to your conversations. Even simple messages or jokes start feeling more special. Small habits like this slowly build emotional closeness, and that closeness can make him start seeing you differently. 3. Compliment him in a soft way. Most guys don't receive compliments very often, which makes them surprisingly powerful. When you notice something about him, his smile, his style, or the way he handled something, mention it casually. Keep it natural so it doesn't feel forced. A genuine compliment can stay in someone's mind for a long time. When compliments come from someone they like, they feel even more meaningful. He may start noticing that your attention feels different from everyone else's. That feeling can slowly build attraction. Appreciation makes people feel seen and valued. And feeling valued by you can make him start looking at you differently. 4. Give him your full attention. When he talks, actually listen to him with real interest. Put your phone aside and focus on what he's saying. Ask small questions and react to his stories. This kind of attention feels rare and refreshing. It shows that you genuinely enjoy his company. When someone feels heard and understood, they naturally feel closer to the person listening. He may start noticing how comfortable conversations with you feel. That comfort can slowly turn into emotional attraction. Sometimes deep attention is more attractive than trying too hard to impress someone. Number 5. Be playfully teasing. Playful teasing can add a little spark to your interactions. Light jokes or friendly teasing create a fun and flirty vibe. It keeps conversations exciting and prevents things from feeling too serious. That playful energy often builds chemistry between two people. The key is keeping it light and positive. Teasing should make him laugh, not feel uncomfortable. When done right, it creates moments that both of you remember. Those moments can slowly shift the dynamic between you. Suddenly, the friendship starts feeling a little more interesting. 6. Show your feminine side around him. Sometimes small changes in energy can make a big difference. Laughing softly, smiling more, or showing warmth in conversations can create a different vibe. These little behaviors often make interactions feel more intimate. It's not about changing who you are. It's about letting your softer side show. When a guy notices that energy, he may start seeing you in a new light. You're no longer just the friend he talks to casually. Instead, the connection starts feeling warmer and more special. Attraction often grows through these subtle emotional shifts. Small energy changes can create big differences. 7. Create little only us moments. One of the best ways to move out of the friend zone is creating small moments that feel special between you two. That could be sharing inside jokes, random late-night conversations, or moments where it feels like it's just the two of you. These little experiences build emotional intimacy. Over time, those moments become memories that only you both share. He may start realizing that being with you feels different from being with others. That feeling can slowly grow into something deeper. When a connection feels unique, people start seeing it differently. Sometimes moving from friendship to something more isn't about big dramatic moves. It's about small moments, playful energy, and emotional connection building over time. When you create those little sparks, the way he sees you can slowly change. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync, and tell me in the comments, what's one cute thing someone did that made you start seeing them differently?